Welcome to Airblast Insider. Choosing the right abrasive or blast media is essential for achieving the right finish. Now, choosing the wrong abrasive for the job can cause damage to the substrate or result in a heavily pitted surface profile. Most abrasives from Airblast are available in several grades and can be used for different purposes. Although many of the abrasive types we sell at Airblast can be reused, today we're looking at the most commonly used, which is expendable abrasives. Expendable media is usually only used once and is chosen mostly for blasting that takes place in an open environment. Expendable abrasives are angular, good for removing rust, paint and other contaminants. They're also used for cleaning and restoration work if the correct size and pressure is used. First up then, iron silicate. Now, iron silica is a slag grit produced as a byproduct of industrial forging. It's an affordable and versatile media and is often used for removing coatings on logistic vehicles, ships and steel. It produces low dust due to its low shatter index and has sharp cutting edges, so you would buy this to rapidly remove paint, corrosion and meal scale. Glacier grit. Glacier grit is made from 100% recycled glass and is a safe alternative to silica sand. It's often used as an abrasive for cleaning brick, stone, concrete, wood, stainless steel and soft alloys. And as it's a non-metallic abrasive, glacier grit is suitable for use on stainless steel surfaces. If you have intricate stonework to clean, choose glacier grit in a finer grade. Olivine. Airblast olivine is a naturally occurring silica-free media. We sell olivine in 4 sizes from extra fine to coarse. This is the abrasive to choose if you're wet blasting or cleaning a building where darker media would cause a nuisance. Garnet. Garnet is a dense, tough abrasive favoured by the petrochemical industry for its ability to produce cold sparks which do not ignite in combustible environments. It is often used for coating, removal and fast cleaning of softwood, aluminium or fiberglass. Garnet generally works 30 to 50% faster than slag grits due to its higher density. Whatever the job you're undertaking, big or small, give us a call and speak to one of our experts for advice, or download our media guide for more information from our website. For more great content from Airblast Eurospray, don't forget to check out the website.